So now that you know how to expand and simplify, you can also convert. So we can convert y equals 3 bracket x minus 3 close bracket bracket x minus 2, and this would be factored form. We can convert this in factored form into standard form. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to deal with our brackets first, and then I'll deal with this term on the outside. So I'm just going to redraw or rewrite my y equals. I'm going to rewrite 3, I'll write bracket. So the first thing I'm going to think about is what's x times x, and we know that x times x is x squared, or x to the power of 2. The next thing I'm going to deal with is that's first, and next I'm going to do the outside, so that's x times positive 2. X times positive 2 is positive 2x. Next I'm going to do the insides, and that's going to be negative 3 times positive x, and that's going to make negative 3x. And finally, what's negative 3 times positive 2, and that's going to make negative 6. Okay? So now I have to simplify, so I'll rewrite my 3x squared, and I'm going to deal with these terms right here. So I'm going to take positive 2x and subtract 3x, which equals negative 1x, and if you don't write your 1, that's okay, minus 6. So I'm almost done converting. The final step I need to do is now I need to take this 3 and I need to use the distributive property and distribute it all within here to each one of those 3 terms. So I'm going to take a second and just get rid of this. It's not as fast as I was hoping it would be. Not bad. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that and let's distribute, or let's expand it a little bit more. So what's 3 times x squared? 3x squared. What's 3 times negative 1? Negative 3x. And what's 3 times negative 6? That's negative 18. And there you go. You've now taken something in factored form and expanded it into standard form. So this would be our equation in factored form. Perfect. And then down here, this would be the same expression, just represented a little bit differently. And this is in standard form. Wonderful. See you tomorrow.